Want to know how to check your password strength using a mini password strength checker in Java? So in this video, I'm just going to create and show you how this mini password strength maker works and how you can use it. So what we do is we just simply take a password input and evaluate it based on its length, uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Its criteria as a point to the strength score printed as x divided by 4. This is perfect for learning string patterns, regex, and conditional logic. Run it, type a password, and instantly see how strong it is. You can also detect weak passwords as well. So I'm just going to run this code. And now you can see the password strength right here. So you can just simply do it again until your password strength is the strongest. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.